4 billion years ago, Mars may have looked surprisingly familiar. It had rivers, lakes, possibly even oceans. A thick atmosphere wrapped around the planet, keeping temperatures warm enough for liquid water to flow across its surface. And if conditions were right, life may have had a chance. But then something happened. Today Mars is a frozen desert. Its atmosphere is so thin that liquid water can't survive on the surface. Temperatures routinely plunge below -100 degrees Celsius. So what killed an entire world? After 11 years of investigation, NASA's MAVEN spacecraft has finally delivered the most complete forensic report ever assembled. And the verdict is shocking. This is the story of a planetary murder and exactly how Mars died. When we look at Mars today, it's easy to assume it was always a cold, barren wasteland. But the evidence says otherwise. Ancient river valleys snake across the landscape. Dry lake beds cover entire regions. Minerals that only form in water are scattered across the planet. Everything points to the same conclusion. Billions of years ago, Mars was wet. To keep liquid water stable for long periods, Mars needed something else, a thick atmosphere. And according to recent findings from NASA's MAVEN mission, that atmosphere may once have been even denser than Earth's. So how does an entire atmosphere disappear? You might imagine one catastrophic event, a giant asteroid, a cosmic explosion, a planetary collision, but the truth is far stranger. Mars wasn't killed in a single day. It was slowly suffocated over billions of years. And the killer was hiding in plain sight. The Sun, around 4 billion years ago, the solar system looked very different. The young Sun was more violent than it is today. Solar eruptions were frequent. Radiation levels were extreme. Yet despite those dangers, early Mars appears to have been remarkably habitable. Scientists believe the planet possessed a substantial atmosphere dominated by carbon dioxide. That atmosphere created enough pressure for liquid water to exist across the surface. This was a slow execution. Mars wasn't merely losing air. It was losing its ability to support an entire planetary ecosystem. The mission demonstrated that magnetic protection can play a crucial role in preserving an atmosphere over geological timescales. Habitability isn't permanent. A planet can have water, a thick atmosphere, and still lose everything. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to subscribe to Exophiles. Thanks for watching.